What's up, guys? My name is Tai Zen. Welcome to the cryptocurrency.market channel. This channel is focused on us sharing our experiences in growing our money into a 7, 8, and 9-figure portfolio, and then how do you manage that and preserve that and protect that afterwards. All right. So in this video, I want to answer one of our students' questions about how we use the TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index and how we use it to invest in the markets. So I want to summarize real quick what we teach our students in our cryptocurrency investing blueprint course. We teach our students two primary strategies that we use to make life-changing profits in the cryptocurrency market. The first strategy is we take 80% of the capital that we have and we put it into what's called the TaiFu 30 index strategy. And that's where we use 80% of our capital to buy coins in the top 30 of the TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency index, right? If we have like 0 to about $300,000, then we would buy and hold the top 20 coins. If we have between $300,000 to about $1 million, then we want to buy the top 15 coins. And then if we have the capital that we have in our portfolio is between $1 to $3 million, then we want to hold the top 10 coins. And then if our portfolio is greater than $3 million, we want to hold the top 5 or 6, 7, 8 coins, and that's it. Okay. And the reason why the number of coins that we hold in our portfolio gets smaller and smaller as our portfolios get bigger and bigger is because there is not enough liquidity in the markets at this moment for us to get in and get out safely, okay? When you are a small trader like we are, and you're managing a small portfolio of, 7, 8, 9-figure portfolio, then what you want to do is you want to have the most liquidity as possible, because that's one of the biggest factors that helps you to reduce the risk in the markets, okay? You will notice that the collapse of FTX, the collapse of Celsius, the collapse of Genesis trading, their lending, the collapse of Voyager, and all these, most of it is happening because they are invested into coins that do not have a lot of liquidity, or even when they buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, which everyone thinks has a lot of liquidity, right? There's not a lot of liquidity when you have a larger portfolio, okay? So just be aware of that. Now, 80% of our capital goes into the TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index strategy. The other 20% of our capital goes into what we call a opportunity trading strategy. And this is not day trading, this is not swing trading, this is not position trading. It is when the market gives us an opportunity and we jump on it, right? So sometimes that opportunity might be like the Dogecoin pump that happened during the Wall Street Bets pump in 2021. So that's an opportunity trading that we do, okay? Sometimes we get in and we get out the same day. Sometimes we get in, we get out the same week. Sometimes we get in, we get out the same month. Sometimes we get in, we get out the same year. So that opportunity trading will depend upon the opportunity. So we don't say that we are day traders. We don't say that we're swing traders. We just say that when there's an opportunity and the market tells us to get in, we'll get in. If the market tells us to get out, then we get out, okay? So that's 20% of our money goes into the opportunity trading, and then the bulk of it, 80% of it, will go into the TaiFu 30 index strategy. The reason why we use the index strategy and the reason why we created the TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index is because when we first started our channel, in case you guys are new to our channel, we started the first Bitcoin trading and investing channel, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading and investing channel back in 2013. Back then, nobody made any channels that were 100% dedicated to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading and investing, and our team was the first channel to do that. And back then there was only a small handful of cryptocurrencies on the market, so it was very easy for us to memorize what those coins were and keep track of all of them. Nowadays, if you fast forward 10 years later, right, we now have over 20,000 cryptocurrencies on the market, and that is almost impossible for us to track all the cryptocurrencies. So that's the reason why we were forced to create the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index, because we had to filter out those 20,000 cryptocurrencies, right? Because we don't have time to research every one of them. You may have time to research 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 of them, but there's no way that one human being or one small team can filter out 20,000 cryptocurrencies. So we had to build software to filter out the cryptocurrencies for us. And that's what the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index is for. It filters out the top 30 best coins that's on the market, that has the most liquidity, the most trading volume, has a hardware wallet support. It is accessible to both Eastern and Western traders, right? So many of you guys will ask us all the time, like, why is BNB not in the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index? And the reason is because the BNB is only available to Eastern traders. It's not available to Western traders. Now, if we want to buy BNB, right, we can use the 20% of our capital that's in the opportunity trading strategy to buy the BNB if we want that. But in the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index strategy, we are not going to put BNB in there, because that is not a coin that's accessible to the Western traders in Canada, in the US, and places like that. So if a coin is not accessible to both Eastern and Western traders, then the probability that it gains worldwide adoption is much lower. And so the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index was made so that Eastern and Western traders can use the information that's in the index, and we do not put BNB in there, coins like the BNB in there, simply because that's not accessible to Western traders. So, and any coins that do not have a hardware wallet support, we do not put it in there also. Okay, and obviously we do not put stable coins in there, because stable coins do not grow in value to allow us to make life-changing profits. Okay, so in this video, I want to answer a question that many of you guys are asking us, and I will use Solana as an example. So right now, as I'm making this video, it's in November 2022. Our index refreshes and updates the data it updates the coins that are in the index every 90 days. So basically, at the beginning of every quarter is when you will see the new coins in the index, or if anything has changed. Now, the coins number 1 through 20, those rarely change, okay? The coins in number 20 through 31, those might change every quarter, all right? Now, when I say that it might change, it will come out of the index and the new coins will come in. But like the top 20 coins in the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index, those rarely come in and out quickly, right? That takes time for it to come in, it takes time for it to come out. However, can they change the rankings in each quarter? So for example, in the third quarter, or on the fourth quarter of 2022, on October 1st, it shows that Solana had like 1.8% of the portfolio. So if I have $100,000 of capital that I want to invest into the cryptocurrency market, and I take 80% of that and I put it into the TaiFu 30 Cryptocurrency Market Index strategy, well, that means I take 80,000 of that, multiply it by 1.8%, and that's how much money I put into Solana. However, because FTX collapsed, right? They stole all their customers' monies. That caused the price of Solana to collapse very big time, right? So now, if you look at the middle of November, then the Solana went from 1.8% on October 1st to about 0.8% on the middle of November 2022. So what happens is, let's say that if I was a current investor and I was holding Solana in my TaiFu portfolio, then I would wait until like January 1st before I rebalance my portfolio and update my portfolio, right? However, if I am new to the trading and investing, and I am just starting my TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index portfolio for the first time, then I would look at today's percentages. So right now, today, in the middle of November 2022, it shows that the Solana makes up like 0.8% of my entire portfolio. So now I'm in the middle of a quarter, right? So I'm not close enough to October 1st at the beginning of the quarter, but I'm not close enough to January 1st, which is the next quarter, right? So what I do is that if I'm new, what I will do is I will start using the data from today and not from October 1st, especially when I know that FTX has gone out of business and they are the main market maker and the primary market maker to maintain the price of Solana. And since they are out of business, then that means that there's nobody to make a market for Solana, and the price has tanked, and there's I expect it to fall even more. So because of that, if I was building a new TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index portfolio today, what I would do is I would consider several options. First of all, if I do want Solana in my portfolio, I would hold it at today's percentage, which is 0.8%. I would not rely on the 1.8% from October 1st. Okay, I would use today's current data so that my portfolio is current and it reflects what the current market conditions are, right? Now, if I have a concern that if since FTX is going out of business and they are the primary backer and the primary supporter of the Solana project, then what I would do is that I would just wait and not buy any Solana until January 1st of 2023. So if I have a new portfolio, like if I have an old portfolio where I have Solana in there already, then I would wait until January 1st to update my portfolio to reduce the amount of Solana that I have. Or if I am a new investor, then I would use today's current data, which is 0.8% of my portfolio will be Solana, right? Or if another scenario is if I'm a new investor and I have fears that Solana might fall even more, then I would just wait until January 1st, 2023 before I make a decision to buy Solana, right? If I start a new portfolio today, a new TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index portfolio today, then what I would do is I would just start buying Bitcoin and Ethereum only, and I would start buying a little bit. I would not focus on Solana. Like I would get because over 50% of the portfolio is Bitcoin, so I would start buying that first, and by the time January 1st comes around, then I will reconsider whether or not I want Solana in my portfolio or not. I anticipate that Solana will fall much lower in the TaiFu 30 rankings, so I would probably wait until January 1st to consider it, right? Now, some of you guys are thinking that, hey, Solana went up to $200 and something during the 2021 bull market, and now it's cheap, so I want to buy in. I want you guys to remember something, right? There is a reason why the price of Solana tanked, okay? I would not be in a rush to buy Solana, okay, for several reasons. One is because FTX is out of business, and that was the biggest supporter of Solana and the biggest market maker for Solana. And so because they are not there no more, I expect the price of FTX to maybe fall some more. The second thing is that when in 2021, I had an opportunity to help move large amounts of Solana, right, almost every day for a period of several months, like 2-3 months, right? And every week I had problems moving the Solana because the exchange would not let me move the Solana, withdraw the Solana from the exchange, simply because it was the Solana blockchain could not clear or confirm the transactions correctly, and the exchange would not allow me to do it, to withdraw the Solana, because they were not confident that I would receive the Solana tokens, right? And if this happened once or twice or 3 times, I would not say anything. But in the span of 3 months, my Solana withdrawals were halted and stopped almost at least twice every week for a period of about 3 months. Okay, and these are real Solana tokens. These are not simulated tokens. These are not, play tokens. These are real Solana tokens. Okay, and during that time when I had to move millions of dollars worth of Solana, right, it was stuck almost every week. Okay, so I am not like a big fan of the Solana technology. Now, will they get better? Will they make it better? I am sure they will, right? But if you look at the amount of volume that I have moved through the Tezos blockchain, through the Ethereum blockchain, through the Cardano blockchain, right? I would say that they are much, what do you call that? They are much more reliable. I do not recall ever having a withdrawal issue from an exchange because of Cardano, Ethereum, or Tezos. Okay, but with Solana, it was twice, at least twice, almost every week for a period of almost 3 months. Okay, so I'm sharing that with you guys, and I've shared that with other people who work on the Solana blockchain, and they refuse to believe it. Now, whether you guys want to believe it or not, does not matter to me, right? But I'm telling you that I have transacted large volumes throughout the blockchain and through the Binance platform, and they halted it almost every week. Okay, so because of that, and because of the unreliable, because the Solana blockchain is not a reliable blockchain for me, and the fact that FTX is out of business after stealing the customers' monies, right? I am not in a rush to add Solana to my portfolio if I am a new investor. I'm not in a rush. Okay. Matter of fact, if I was a new investor, I would probably leave Solana out for now and wait until 3 to 6 months later to see what happens to them, right? I can always buy it later, right? But I would just focus on putting the majority of my money into Bitcoin and Ethereum, just to start building my portfolio, right? So like if I have $100,000 and I know that I'm going to put 80% of my portfolio, which is 80% times 100,000, that's $80,000. If I put that into the TaiFu 30 index, right, I'm going to start buying like $1,000, $2,000 worth of Bitcoin each time I see the market tank, and that's where I would start. I would not start worrying about Solana or any of the other coins in the TaiFu 30 index. I would just focus on Bitcoin first and get that, and then I would focus on getting Ethereum next before I start getting all the other coins, right? So hopefully this video helps you guys understand better how we split our money up and put it into the TaiFu 30 index, and how we look at the coins, and how we decide if we use the data from the beginning of the quarter or the data from the middle of the quarter to make our decision of how much of that coin we hold in our portfolio. Okay, so I normally go with the most current data to make a decision, because it more accurately reflects and mimics what the current market situation is like. All right, so thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to learn more about how we split our money up to invest it into the TaiFu 30 cryptocurrency market index, and how we use 20% of our money for opportunity trades in the markets, I highly recommend that you get a copy of our cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You can get a copy of it at www.cryptocurrency.market/blueprint. You can order your the cryptocurrency investing blueprint course there, and in that course we teach you everything that we know of and all the mistakes we made and all the things to avoid and all the things that we did to help us grow our portfolio into a 7, 8, and 9-figure portfolio, and then how we are managing it afterwards once it gets to that size. All right. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure that you guys follow me on Twitter at HeyTaiZen, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in a future video. Thank you.